Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I've got a very special episode for you. We are up here in the mountains for a family reunion at a cabin. And I decided to make an episode with my nieces and nephews. This is my niece,
Leah.
And my nephew,
Jeremy.
And my niece,
Evie.
And my niece,
Isa.
And some of them are gluten and dairy free. So we decided to make a gluten and dairy free treat. What are we gonna make?
A gluten-free chocolate strawberry tart.
A gluten-free and dairy-free chocolate strawberry tart. Really easy to do, very few ingredients. If we can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. So for our ingredients, first we have, what is this, Jeremy?
24 gluten-free and dairy-free Oreos.
All right, 24 gluten and dairy-free Oreo cookies. All right, what else do we got?
1/4 cup of dairy-free vegan butter.
1/4 cup of dairy-free vegan butter.
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
I love strawberries.
You love strawberries?
Yeah.
Awesome, I do too.
Me too.
Okay, Isa, what is this?
Gluten-free chocolate chips.
Gluten and dairy-free chocolate chips. We have about 12 ounces here. And then now we have 1 cup of coconut milk. It comes like in a creamer. So first what we need to do is we need to take our cookies and we're going to put them in this bag. Or if you have a food processor, you can put them in there. And we want to bash these cookies up until we get some crumbs. This is the fun part.
Do ice.
Oh, we lost some. Oh
One
no!
of them got
Oh no! It's okay, put them in there.
it's in the butter.
Oh no, it's in the butter. All right,
We're gonna get buttered up anyways. Make sure you zip it up before you shake it.
zip it up. All right. And now you can use a rolling pin, you can use a rock, you can use your knee, you can use your fist. We just gotta bash these cookies. Go for it. Yeah. Or you can just take it in your hands and just squeeze it around like this. All right, so now we want to pour the crumbs into this big bowl.
Now we need to melt the dairy-free butter.
Yes. So we're just going to put this in the microwave for about 20-30 seconds until we get it melted.
Put the butter in the Oreo crumbs.
So the melted butter in with the Oreo crumbs. And now what we're going to do is we're going to coat all those crumbs with this butter. You want to stir it? Okay, you stir that all around.
So first, spray your tart pan with kitchen spray, and then pour the cookie crumbs into the tart pan.
Okay, now spread it all around and smash it down with the back of your spoon. You can even come in here with a cup. This is Stephanie's cup. And push stuff down like this. And you can come in here with your fingers and just push it up the sides.
Don't forget to wash your hands after you do the thing, after you smash the crumbs, if you want to use your fingers.
Yes, don't forget to wash your hands after smashing the thing
With soap.
with soap.
And don't forget to dry them.
All right, cool. So our cookie base for this tart is ready to go. Let's set this aside.
So now we're gonna heat up the coconut milk creamer in the microwave for about a minute, and then we're gonna pour it in with the chocolate chips. Now we're gonna pour this in, and we're gonna let it set and let it melt the chocolate.
For 10
Okay,
minutes.
for 10 minutes, we just let it sit there, and the coconut milk is going to melt the chocolate, and then Jeremy's gonna stir it, and that'll make our ganache.
Now you gotta stir it. Stirring it until it looks like this.
All right, it's all stirred in. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we want to pour this is called a ganache, and let's pour it on in there. So you get like a rubber spatula, we'll just use a spoon. And let's go ahead and put the rest of this in here. Okay, now let's just spread this out so it's evenly. You want to do it? Yeah, with the back of the spoon.
It's as much. Yes.
Now let's put the strawberries in there.
All right, no, don't drop it like that. You gotta place them in there. So just arrange the strawberries, and you can use whatever kind of fruit that you want. And we'll just place them in there so they look kind of nice.
Now we are going to put this tart in the refrigerator for 2 hours.
Let's play some games while we're waiting.
We'll play some games while we're waiting.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
All right, it's been the next day, and our tart is ready. We weren't able to eat it yesterday because we had other family obligations. So here we go. To top it off, what we're gonna do is just come in here with some powdered sugar. Just do some powdered sugar on there. You can use a sieve if you want, or just use a spoon. There we go. Pretty awesome. All right, and there you go. That's how you make a dairy-free and gluten-free chocolate strawberry tart. Really easy to do. If we can do it, you can do it. Simple ingredients. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining us. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for us to dive into this. Oh yeah.
This is my favorite part of the show.
All right. So let me come in here with the tart pan. Just hold the bottom, and it'll come right out. Ooh, awesome.
Wow.
Just comes right out. I'll eat the whole thing.
I deserve a small
Okay,
piece.
Jeremy's gonna dive in and taste it.
Nom.
Yummy. Is it delicious?
Thumbs up. Jeremy says thumbs up. Awesome.
Nom.